Suppose in triangle ABC, A, B, C, this side A, this side B, and this side C. To find area of triangle, suppose two sides and one angle included. So area denoted by delta, so half AB sin C. Suppose A and B side given and angle C given. Suppose B and C given, so half BC sin A. Suppose side A and C given, so half AC sin B. For example, suppose any triangle whose angle A 60 degree and side 3 and 4 degree. Here A, here B, here C. In this question given, angle A equal to 60 degree, side B equal to 4, side C equal to 3. So area of triangle half BC sin A. So half value of B 4, value of C 3, sin 60. 2 2 ja 4, here 6, value of sin 60 root 3 by 2, 2 3 ja. So delta equal to 3 root 3 square unit. Suppose any question given in this form, B C cos A minus A cos C, find value in this question. Apply BC cos A minus AB cos C. Written formula cos A, तो B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC minus AB, apply formula cos C, तो A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Here AB cancel out, here BC cancel out. So B square plus C square minus A square plus B square minus C square. Here B square plus C square minus A square minus A square minus B square plus C square. Here minus B square cancel out. So 2C square minus 2A square. Take 2 as common. So 2 in bracket C square minus A square. Here by 2. So 1 by 2 as common. So 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. So gives C square minus A square. Find general value of trigonometry function given. Sin 2x equal to 0. So sin 2x sin 0 equal to 0. So here 2x equal to 2n pi or this is written as sin 2x equal to sin pi minus 0, sin 2 pi equal to sin 2 pi minus 0. So sine 2 x written as sine n pi. So 2x equal to n pi. 2x equal to n pi. So x equal to n pi by 2. Suppose any question cos 3x equal to 0. So cos 3x equal to cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value 0. So 3x equal to pi by 2. So x equal to pi by 6. Classify in x. X belong in first quadrant or second or third. So multiple of trigonometric function different value gives. General value or equation, satisfy equation or any equation in this form: sin theta equal to sin alpha. So theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into alpha. This is the solution of equation. Suppose cos theta equal to cos alpha. So theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Suppose tan theta equal to tan alpha. So theta equal to n pi plus alpha. This is the solution of trigonometric equation. Find general solution of trigonometric function. Suppose 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0 given. So 2 sin x equal to 1. So sin x equal to half. Value of sin half, sin pi by 6. So x equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into pi by 6 is the solution of given equation. Suppose root 3 sin x plus 2 equal to 0. So root 3 sin x equal to minus 2. So sin x equal to minus 2 upon root 3. So x equal to sin inverse minus 2 upon root 3. So x equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into sin inverse minus 2 upon root 3. Suppose root 3 tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. So root 3 tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3. So tan theta equal to tan pi by 6. So theta equal to n pi plus pi by 6. Suppose question is given 7 cos square x plus 3 sin square x equal to 4. Solve this question. Here we change cos in sin term or sin in cos term. Here we change cos in sin term. So 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin square x equal to 4. So 7 minus 7 sin square x plus 3 sin square x equal to 4. Here minus 7 plus 3, so minus 4 sin square x, 4 minus 7 here, so minus 4 sin square x equal to minus 3. This cancel, so sin square x equal to 3 by 4. Value of sin x plus minus root 3 by 2. Here take value positive, so sin x equal to root 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2. Suppose given tan x plus tan pi by 3 equal to 1 minus tan x into tan pi by 3. Here tan x plus tan pi by 3. Here tan x plus tan pi by 3 whole upon 1 minus tan x into tan pi by 3 equal to 1. Here we written question tan x plus pi by 3. Here one written as tan pi by 4. So x plus pi by 3 equal to n pi plus pi by 4. So x equal to n pi plus pi by 4 minus pi by 3. So x equal to n pi plus 12 take as common. So here 3 pi minus 4 pi. Here x equal to n pi minus pi by 12 is the solution of question. Suppose any question given in this form, root 3 cos x plus sin x equal to root 2. Here root 3, here multiple 1. So this take root 3 square plus 1 square, then after taking square root. Here gives 4, gives 2. In this question we divided both sides with 2. So root 3 cos x plus 1 sin x divide by 2 root 2 by 2. Here root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x equal to 1 by root 2. In this question, this value written are sin or cos. We apply formula sin or cos. Here cos x into cos 30 plus sin x into sin 30. Left hand side formula make cos, so value of 1 upon root 2 cos pi by 4. Here written formula form cos x minus pi by 6 equal to cos pi by 4. Apply so formula x equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So x minus pi by 6 equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4. So x equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Take positive sign. तो x इक्वल टू 2n पाई प्लस पाई बाई 4 प्लस पाई बाई 6. So x equal to 2n pi plus here 12 by LCM, तो 4 3 जा 12, 6 2 जा 12. Here x equal to 2n pi plus 5 pi by 12. Take negative sign and solve it. So this question gives you two values.